Hi, I'm Mike with Tire Chains RS. Today we're going to install this tire chain on this snowblower. The first thing I like to do when I lay a tire chain out is to make sure that all the side hooks are facing up. Additionally, the side hook fastener needs to be on the outside edge and the side hook needs to be on the inside edge. Also, I'm looking for twists or any unexpected damage in the chain before I install it. Next, what I'll do is roll the snowblower back over the chain to about the middle of the chain. What this will allow me to do is work on the top side of the tire as I install the chain versus the bottom side. Okay, so we drove the snowblower over the laid out chain. As you can see, I pulled the front chain and lapped it up over the tire. I'll do the same thing with the back part of the chain. I like to tuck these cross chains in between the lugs. It helps hold the chain square on the tire while you finish the installation. The back side of this is the side chain hook. And that simply will connect with the extra lengths on the back part of the chain. And then you have a side chain fastener on the outside part of the tire. And you'll simply thread this fastener through the chain link and then push the fastener against you as a way to tighten. And the fastener will connect at the top of the chain to complete the install. Occasionally, with additional use, you will have to keep an eye on this and make sure it stays good and tight. One way to keep the chain centered is also to use a short bungee strap from side to side and at least attach it in 4 points, or use 2 straps, which will keep the chain tight and centered on the wheel. Now that you have this snow chain installed, you're ready for weather.